Hi, this video is all about how you can use the RightBooth drawing tools to sign photos or draw on videos or the print layout. Now the first thing I'm going to show you is what I've got here is a standard event file with a start screen, choose recording, get ready, countdown, recording video if you choose that, take a photo, show the video, show the photos, photo options for the print layout, and the print layout is down here. Okay, let's look at how you would add a feature to allow your users to draw and sign on each of their photos after they've taken them. Now the place to do that is on the show photo screen, which is here. Now this event is designed to take 2 photos per user. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the drawing tools to this screen. We go for add items. The drawing tools are here. It puts them at the top here, but you can put them wherever you like. I'm going to just put them above the photo placeholder. And on here we have a pen, a highlighter, an undo, a bin, 4 pen widths and 8 colours. Now these cannot be used in the editor. You can just position the toolbox where you want it. So another thing we have to do is to look at how this screen is being displayed. If we go for the screen properties, you can see that this screen is set to only show for 4 seconds. Now the problem with that is that it wouldn't allow you much time to actually draw on the photo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the timeout for this screen to be never, which means that this screen will stay showing for as long as needed. The question then is, how do you allow the user to move on after they have signed their photo? Well, the way to do that is to add a next button. So we tick this option here, and that will then include the next button and the next label, which will allow them to move on to the next screen after they've finished. Okay, so let's just show how that works in practice. Right, we click. I can choose to record a video or take 2 photos. So I'll go for the 2 photos. Let's start. First photo. So I'm sat to the left here so that we've got some space to draw on the screen on the photo at the end. Right, so it's taken the first photo. I can now use the drawing tools to draw in different colours. If I'm not happy with it, I can undo strokes and so on. Okay, so this will let me carry on as long as I need. Once I'm happy, I click next. It's going to take the next photo, number 2. So that's the second photo. Again, I can write number 2. I could highlight in yellow, different thicknesses, and so on. You can see it's adding the drawings onto the photos as I'm doing. If I click next now, it will take me to the photo layout screen for printing. And as you can see, it's carried on the drawings that I've added to each photo. At this point I can print. Another place where you can use the drawing tools is on the photo options screen where the print layout is being displayed, so the user can actually sign the print layout itself before it gets printed. So let's do that. Go to the photo options screen, and it's still showing me the 2 photos I took last time I was playing the event. These will get cleared off when you play the event the second time. I'll show you shortly. So again, I'm going to add the drawing tools. Again, I'll put them here. In fact, no, let's just change that. Let's look at properties. And you can see here that the drawing tools are in a 16:1 strip. I'm going to change it to a 1:16 strip and put them down the left here. Okay, so I'm going to now play the event again. RightBooth will clear off all the previous drawings that I've done on each photo. So I'm just going to take 2 photos quickly. 1. Next, I'm not going to draw on these this time. Number 2. Now, if I go next, you're looking at the photo options screen, and here I can draw on the print layout. It's quite difficult to do with the mouse, probably a lot easier with the touch screen. But basically I'm writing on the photo layout, and if I now print, that will actually print with the photo layout. So that's another place that you can add the drawing tools. Now, if you're using a webcam in your events, it's actually possible to draw on the video recording with the drawing tools. So in other words, you can draw while the video is in progress. So let's have a look at where you would do that. If we go to the record video screen, and again I'm going to add the drawing tools. Remembers how it was last time, I'll just put them to the left slightly. So let's have a look at what happens there. I'm going to just save that briefly. Let's play the event. Okay, this time I'm going to record a video. Click the screen, choose record a video. We have get ready, then the countdown. And now I'm on the recording screen. I can write onto the frame. Change colours. 1, 2, 3. So the actual drawings are being placed into the recording as I'm speaking. If I click to finish, recording screen, I can write onto the frame. Change colours. 1, 2, 3. So the actual drawings are being placed into the recording as I'm speaking. So as you can see, the video itself has now got all of the recorded annotations and drawings that I've placed into it. Now when it's finished and we go back to the start screen, which is what we're looking at now, notice that all of the annotations and drawings have been removed from the actual live preview, allowing the next user to start again effectively. Okay, just to recap, the drawing tools can be used on any live camera feed on any screen. So that can be from your webcam or it can be from the DSLR camera. You can use the drawing tools to draw on any photos that are showing on any of your screens. You can use the drawing tools on the print layouts to supplement the layout before you print it. And you can use the drawing tools on any video recording whilst it's happening to annotate and draw directly into the recording.